I bought this protein melty soup mix at the local grocery. It's a blend of 5 lentils, red lentil, black gram whole, split yellow chickpeas, mung beans and split pigeon peas. I'm going to make lentil fritters out of them. In India, we call it Vadai or Vada. Vadai is made out of yellow chickpeas or whole gram dal. But today I'm using these lentils and making a tasty snack. Once you try it, you'll definitely want to make it again. The ingredients are very simple and you may have them already in your kitchen. Let's get started. Take a cup of lentils and soak them for 3 to 5 hours. This is after 5 hours. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and blend them coarsely. Transfer it into a bowl. Into that, add half a cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, a pinch of asafoetida, but this is optional, and salt to taste. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. In a wok, add enough oil to deep fry the fritters. Over medium heat to find out if the oil is ready. Drop a small amount of batter into the oil. If it pops out immediately, the oil is ready to fry. Take a small amount of batter and drop it slowly into the oil. If you're not comfortable with using your hands, use an ice cream scoop or a cookie spoon. Cook them on medium-low and move them around. Flip them a couple of times so that they'll cook evenly. Otherwise, they get brown outside but won't cook inside thoroughly. It took 8 to 10 minutes to get this color. Take them and drain them on a paper towel. It's so crispy outside and soft inside. I'm serving them with coconut chutney and tomato ketchup. It's packed with good sources of protein. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian and looking for a tasty snack, this is for you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.